Lenovo announced the launch of its latest trio of unconventional desktop workstations, ThinkStation P7 and ThinkStation P5. These technologically advanced workstations have been co-designed with Aston Martin and powered by Intel's latest processor technology and NVIDIA RTX professional GPUs to surpass the most extreme high computing workloads across various industries, offering users unparalleled power, performance, and productivity. During this launch event, Digital Terminal got an exclusive opportunity to interact with Mr. Ajay Sahgal, Executive Director Commercial Business Lenovo India. Check out this exclusive chat video. So Ajay sir, thank you so much for giving a valuable time to DT. First of all, congratulations for this big launch, which is a huge machine you have launched today. So what is your take on that?
We feel very excited, Rajiv, that whenever these new products comes, it brings a lot of newness in our approach. It brings a lot of value addition approach. Actually, it gets a lot of excitement at the customer front because customers are also currently undergoing a lot of change, a lot of complexities in their work. A lot of priorities are changing. More and more customers are moving towards digital transformation, and whenever these kind of new innovation comes up from our side, there is a lot of excitement which customers are also looking from our side, that how can we, with the help of our innovation, add value and become part of the partner in their digital journey. So quite excited because of these reasons.
Right, sir. So, this is one launch, okay, and there are a lot of activities today you are running for the the showcase of this innovation what you have did. So what is your go-to-market strategy for the promotion of such kind of product?
So you must have seen today, since today we are launching this P series of workstations, which is co-designed by Aston Martin and powered by Intel Xeon processor. So it adds a lot of value. So what we are doing is, in the morning we had a session with the partner, because generally we are a partner first company. So anything we do, we start with the partner. So first intent was to make partners aware that what's the new technology coming up with the help of our P series portfolio in the workstation space. During the day, we are interacting with media to make them aware, so that they can spread that information to more and more customers to us. And in the evening, we are doing a customer event where we have called both large enterprises as well as small and medium enterprises customers, making them aware about the overall portfolio, how this portfolio with the new technology are going to add value in terms of solving a lot of customer problems which they are currently facing. And then, after this, we are doing multiple activities. We are going to give a lot of seeding units to our customers, because it's important that we are aware that what are the kind of issues which customers are facing from a complex environment point of view. So we will seed these units in the real environment of the customers, so that customers should be able to use these machines in their real environment and then take a decision that how these new series of workstations are going to solve a lot of problems which currently they are undergoing. We will then do a lot of smaller customer events, because more and more these products are not only for larger cities like Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore. The workstation requirement from a complexity point of view is also there in a tier 2 as well as tier 3 cities, and these requirements are not there only from the large enterprises across all verticals. It also has a requirement for the small and medium enterprises, as well as our observation is that workstation kind of product is also a need for a freelancer who's building up and developing their own content, as well as engineering students, because the kind of applications from a complexity point of view which engineering students are using it, they also require these kind of workstation products, so that they should be able to become more effective. They should be able to solve a lot of their requirements actually from a project point of view in a more effective manner with the help of this kind of new portfolio.
Right, sir. Means, I have seen, you have a very unique channel program, and there are a lot of big distributors, India's top 10 NDs who are working with you. A lot of partners are working with you. So how do you see the overall relationship going with the partners who help you to sustain as a number one position in the Indian market?
As I said, partner is one of our key priority, and we are a channel friendly company. I would say we are a channel first company. So anything we do from a go-to-market, partner is the core in that part. So we do multiple things. Last year, we launched a program where we integrated our overall approach from a customer point of view, because we have a large portfolio starting from pocket to cloud, which means that we have ThinkPhone, we have tablet, PC portfolio, as well as the infrastructure portfolio. So what we are doing is we are enabling our partners, as well as we are choosing partners who are already enabled, so that they should be able to take our portfolio in front of the customer. So we have a program called Lenovo 360. The purpose of this program of Lenovo 360 is that how can we enable our partners at a 360 degree, meaning how can we enable our partners building up their capability, enabling them on our overall portfolio so that they should be able to participate in the overall customer's digital journey with the help of the widest portfolio we have, enabling them with the help of the seeding program so that they should be able to engage with the customers in a more effective manner, in a more influencing manner, making them part of a community. From a community point of view, I just want to give one example. The example is related to sustainability. More and more customers are now currently making sustainability as one of the key parameter while they're buying these products. So sustainability in the last few months, our observation is that is becoming number 3 priority for our customers during their RFPs release. So apart from product and pricing. So in that scheme of things, it's important for us that partners should be aware of, partners should be enabled so that they should be able to take care of the sustainability requirement also apart from a product portfolio. So what we have done is under our Lenovo 360 program, we are in the process of creating community of partners so that more and more partners should learn from us as well as learn from the community of their own partners, so that they should be able to understand that how things are changing, what are the key trends. Sustainability is one area, but how are the other technology trends, and how our overall portfolio we have can add value to the customer journey with the help of these partners. So this Lenovo 360 is basically enabling partners, giving them the overall portfolio, starting from pocket to cloud, and obviously creating opportunity for them to make more money. Actually, at the end of the day, apart from building up their capability and helping them to engage with the customers, it's important that partners should also earn and grow their business along with us. So these are the few areas which are becoming key components of our Lenovo 360 program, which we are already launched last year, and now we have launched Lenovo 360 2.0 around 3 months back. And I have seen that a lot of excitement at the partner fronts. More and more partners are now coming and wants to participate in this Lenovo 360 program along with us.
Sir, you talked about the market is also going to the smaller cities. So can you share something in a criteria if in smaller cities, the partners who want to work with you, is there any criteria you're looking, or any area where you're looking to add more partners, if you can share with us?
So we want that more and more partners, because at the end of the day, India is a very diverse market scenario where customers are now emerging across all nook and corners of the country. It's no more only a Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore city. The business is growing and the customer requirements are of similar nature, both from Delhi as a city as well as any other smaller tier 3 or tier 4 cities. So from that point of view, it's important that in each and every city we have a partner. Their capabilities are there of that nature, so that whether they are in Delhi or they are in any other tier 3 or tier 4 city, they should be able to cater to the customer requirement in a similar manner. So what we are doing is actually we are building up their capability. We are giving them again all the collaterals which are required. And we want each and every partner. For example, Lenovo 360 program is not only for a larger partners. Okay. Lenovo 360 program has multiple elements. For example, it has an element where the partner wants to do only PC part of the business, or partner wants to do only a server storage part of the business, or a category of partner who wants to do both, or a category of partners who's doing PC, who's doing server storage, as well as who also wants to become a services and solution partner. So there are different variants of this Lenovo 360 program, and with the help of this umbrella program of Lenovo 360, we are ensuring that more and more partners should come along with us and be part of this L360 program.
Right, so it's endless possibilities.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I'll just leave you to one more comment, which is very important, because we know how service is important for Lenovo, and you have taken care of your loyal customers who buy your machine. So what will be your message for those customers or the partners? Because the service also helps partners to sell more solutions. So what is your investment or the plan to enhance much more on the service side?
So we were getting perceived as a PC organization, but we are no more only a PC company, I would say. Now we are a service provider. We are building up our own capability in last couple of years, where we want to participate in the overall customer digital journey beyond supplying only devices. So what we are doing is actually we are building up our own capability by having the right talent in place, so that when our sellers or service providers are engaging with the customers, they should be able to engage at an overall level with the customers, whether it is related to devices or related to our infrastructure requirement. Parallelly, we are also building up our partners' capability. As I was talking about under L360 program, we are building up our partners' capability also of that nature. So net, what we are trying to do is we are building up and adding more capability within our organization also. For example, last week, we launched our knock and sock. Knock and socks are important because it's a network operations center as well as security operations center. So when we are engaging with the customers and telling them that we want to take care of their overall end-to-end requirements, right from assessing the requirement, whether you're buying a devices or you're buying an infrastructure, during the life cycle of the infrastructure or devices, as well as taking care of the end of life of the requirement, keeping in mind the sustainability parameters also. So during that journey, all these investments are important, that we should be capable, we should have the right tools, we should have the right infrastructure, as well as we should have the right talent who should be able to go engage with the customers to take care of their overall digital journey requirements.
That's great, sir. It's a pleasure talking to you, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Rajiv.